At Laird Connectivity, we're expanding our capabilities to provide you even greater support in a world of increasingly complex challenges. We're opening this new chapter in our story with a new name. Laird Connectivity is now Azurio. While the name has changed, our focus hasn't. Supporting your connectivity needs is still our #1 priority. We're continuing to build on decades of engineering experience, creating comprehensive wireless connectivity and processing solutions. This fully supported portfolio simplifies your product lifecycle, reduces your total cost of development, and enhances your time to market. Our global expertise, backed by our resilient global supply chain, gives you the stability to overcome every design challenge with confidence. Azurio is your connectivity expert, and together, we can turn your design possibility into reality.